Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 taskbar not showing. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first, let's check taskbar settings. To do that, press Windows key plus I to open settings. And on the left, click on personalization here, and then scroll down to taskbar and select it, and then scroll down to taskbar behaviors and make sure to unselect the option that says automatically hide the taskbar. Now, if the taskbar still doesn't appear, press Windows plus E to open File Explorer, and then from here, press Control plus Alt plus Delete to bring up the security options. And then just select Task Manager from the menu, so you will probably won't see it on my recording, but on your end, just select Task Manager, okay? And then in the Task Manager, find Windows Explorer and select it. And then click on Restart Task in the top right here. And afterwards, this should refresh the taskbar and fix the issue. But if the issue persists, then try restarting your computer. So you can do this by pressing the power button or pressing Control plus Alt plus Delete and then selecting restart or shut down from the options. So basically, that's how you can fix Windows 11 taskbar not showing. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.